We are playing clarinet. Today at Woodwind Ninja, we're learning where to put our fingers on the clarinet. You've seen my video on how to put your clarinet together. I'm sure you've played your mouthpiece by now. Now it's time to take the first step into making some notes on the clarinet. Here's where we're going to put our hands on the clarinet. First, let's identify the front of the clarinet. This is where our primary fingers go. Our thumbs are going to be utilized on the back of the instrument. You'll see here we have one hole and what's called a register key. Don't even worry about remembering that. We're not going to use it in the first couple days of playing clarinet. The next thing I want you to take note of is this little hook right here. It's called our thumb rest. Raise your left hand. Whoop. Our left thumb goes on this hole. I want you to look at it. See how it feels on that hole. Well, you can see the hole. Because we're going to need to make sure that our thumb covers that hole all the way. The next thing I want you to do is raise your right hand. Give me a thumbs up with your right hand. We're going to take that thumb and we're going to put it underneath that thumb rest. Right there. So this is actually where we support the clarinet, mostly, is with our thumb. Now that we have our thumbs in place, let's check out where our other fingers are going to go. Remember, thumb over the thumb hole in the back, left hand. Then our first finger here, our second finger here, and our third finger there. Remember, we're just looking for the holes. This little key here, this guy, we don't press on that. We're looking to cover up the holes. That takes care of our left hand. We're not going to use our pinky for a little while. Just have your pinky hang out in this area here. Just kind of relaxed, not doing anything at all. The next three fingers are the three holes that are right there. Let's just hold our hands with our thumb. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Our pinkies are just going to chill. They're not going to do anything quite yet. Just hold your clarinet with those fingers. See how it feels. Does it feel pretty good? Good. So, in our next lesson, we're going to learn what notes come out when we have certain fingers down and certain fingers up, because we're going to use all sorts of different combinations of fingers to make all sorts of different notes. Looking forward to seeing you the next time at Woodwind Ninja. Like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.